girls. I hope that you had a wonderful Wednesday. Today is Thursday, April 9th, and it is the last day of the week for digital learning or virtual learning today or this week. All right, yesterday we started our data collection and tendency project or activity. Yesterday you were supposed to collect 5 pieces of numerical data, which many of you guys did. However, you were supposed to collect 5 pieces of information from one question or doing one activity multiple times. Some of us decided to ask the question, how many shoes do you own? Then we decided to ask the age of our family members. Then we decided to ask for the heights of people in our family. So we collected 5 pieces of data, but we asked 5 questions in the process. You were supposed to ask one question to 5 different people to get 5 pieces of information. So, or you could have done one activity 5 times. So a couple people in your class, I'm going to give them shout outs right now and give you their examples. Crew. Shout out to Crew. Crew decided to snap his fingers for 30 seconds and repeat this process 5 times to get his data. Good job, Crew. Emerson L. She decided to count how many times people and her dog could blink in 1 minute, I believe it was. And she did that 5 times. Awesome job, Emerson. Ben, shout out to Ben. Ben decided to ask how many hats people in his household had. Tegan, way to go, Tegan. Tegan, you make me feel very short. Tegan decided to get the heights of everybody in her household and convert them to inches. So those people did an amazing job collecting 5 pieces of data by asking one question to 5 different people or doing one activity 5 times. I have given everybody feedback in Canvas on their data. So before you can even do anything today, you need to go to Canvas and check for the feedback on the data collection assignment. Okay, today we're moving on to part 2 of our project. Part 2 of our project is using this data and creating a Google presentation with it. So I already started my Google presentation, and by doing that, all I did is I went to my drive, I clicked New, Google Slides, blank template, and it's right here. These are your directions for what goes into your Google presentation. So if you notice, I want you to name your presentation Central Tendency. We'll even add the word project right here, project. Okay? Slide 1 is just your name and your black. Okay? So on this slide, I would put my name, I would put my black. You can make these slides as fancy as you want, add color, add pictures, change the fonts. Okay? Anything that makes it all pretty and personalized, you guys can do that. Okay, slide 2, how or what you did to gather your data. This, you must include a picture on this slide. This is the one picture that you have to include. Okay, slide 3, you're going to list your pieces of data on this slide. Okay, hint, hint. For slides 4 through 6, you need to show your work. So on slide 4, you're going to be finding the median and then writing an explanation. On slide 5, finding the mean of your data, then writing an explanation. And on slide 6, finding the mode, and then an explanation. Again, for slides 4 through 6, excuse me, you need to show your work. So that might mean you do your work in Notability for the median, mean, and mode. Then you take a screenshot and you upload that screenshot to slides 4, 5, and 6. Okay, if you don't have your work, I don't know that you know how to find the mean, median, and mode of your data. Okay, so again, you had to find 5 pieces of information from yesterday by asking one question to 5 different people or doing one activity 5 times. Then you're going to be creating a Google presentation, and this is what goes on each slide. All right, have a great day, boys and girls.